Hi everybody, Alina is here. So today I have a special thing that I want to show you. So not long ago, MONAT rolled out a brand new product which is called Makeup Vanishing Balm, and I want to put it to the test today. So the product looks like this. The packaging is, as always, very beautiful. I have been using this product for about a week now, and it works fabulous on, regular makeup. But I have seen some people posting that it removes Sharpies, that it removes lip sense lipsticks, which for me is mind-blowing because this product is a naturally based, vegan, cruelty-free product that literally removes Sharpies. So I have not tried removing Sharpie with this, and I thought, you know what, I will put on a full face of makeup just to remove it. And I have a Sharpie here, and I have a lip sense lipstick here, and I have a few of the MAC Retro Matte lipsticks. If you have ever used these, and I have one on, you know these lipsticks do not come off easily. So let's try this out here on camera. Let's try to remove this first, and then I will show you how you can remove your makeup with this Makeup Vanishing Balm. So first of all, let's draw something on my hand with a Sharpie. I don't see what I'm doing, but let's draw a line with a Sharpie. Let's make it thicker. And then let's take a lip sense lipstick. Have you ever tried lip sense lipsticks? They do not come off, and I have this bright orange color. We have to let it dry a little bit. So let's just let it dry, and then let's put one of the Retro Matte lipsticks. So I have all these products on my hand drying, and in the meantime, while this is drying, let me show you what this product comes with. So what it looks like, it comes with this little spatula. It basically looks like, almost like, I don't know, like a wax consistency. It doesn't, yeah, it looks like a wax. And then what you do, you basically just scoop it out with a spatula. You warm it up in your fingers, and then you apply it on your face, and it basically just melts the makeup. That's why it's called Makeup Vanishing Balm. It basically melts it. It's so amazing. So now let me see if this is dry enough. So this is not coming off. I mean, there's no chance I will get the Sharpie off, and the matte lipstick is pretty much dry. Okay. So let's just put it to the test on my hand. And I take, I scoop out just a tiny bit of this product, put it on my hand, and put it on here. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's coming off. The lip sense lipstick is off. Holy moly. It literally breaks down the Sharpie, you guys. Do you see this? Oh wow. Seriously. I'm so impressed. Okay. Let's just wipe it off with a towel. It's gone. I'm so impressed with this, you guys. This stuff just like literally removed Lip Sense lipstick and a Sharpie from my hand. So now I want to show you how to remove this full face of makeup with the same product. So again, let's scoop it out. I might look really ridiculous, but I do have a waterproof mascara on. I do have the same, not this shade, but a different retro matte lipstick by MAC. I do have glitter on my eyes. So I just put the full makeup, like the full glam makeup, except for false eyelashes because I'm washing my face anyways. Okay, so this balm also comes with this little cloth that you can use to remove your makeup. So it comes with this little thingy. Okay, so I have a little bit of this product on my spatula. I warm it in my fingers first, and then I'm going to start working into my face. You guys, I might start looking really ridiculous because I have like layers upon layers upon layers of makeup on right now. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I look crazy. Now I'm all pink. Oh my god. Well, you know what? We probably all look like this when we remove makeup. Okay. Okay, this is funny. This is really fun, man. And I had the glitter, what is it called? Glitter liner on me. Well, I look really fabulous. Okay, so basically what it does, it just melts makeup. Holy. It just removes it all, you guys. It just removes all of it. Wow. I mean, I've been using this for a week, but I have never had a full face of makeup like this one. Seriously? Like glitter and everything. And I just used a tiny little bit of product. You guys, eyeliner, waterproof mascara, glitter, and a matte lipstick just came off in like 3 seconds using a naturally based product. I am like impressed, and I mean, being a makeup artist and seeing a lot of products out there, I honestly have never seen anything like this makeup vanishing balm. I think any makeup artist needs this. I think anybody, like everybody needs this product because it's absolutely phenomenal. So if you don't have this yet, you need this in your life. If you're using makeup on a daily basis, or you know, at least once or twice or 3 times a week, this product is going to be literally your lifesaver and time saver because it's, you know, it works so well. You guys, I'm super impressed. So loving this product. I don't know, 10 out of 10 stars for this, and I will keep using it. And the best part of it is naturally based. Like I said, it doesn't have any chemicals in it, doesn't have any junk in it like most makeup remover wipes. So I'm super pumped for them to come up with such a brilliant product. If you found this video somewhat useful, please give me a like, comment if you have any questions about the products, where to get them, or just about anything. Please feel free to reach out to me, email me. I always put my email in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, don't forget that, because I do share a lot of tips and tricks and product information on there as well. So let's stay connected, and hopefully I will hear your review and how you're loving this product, because I'm sure 300% you're going to fall in love with this. So thanks so much for watching this little video, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.